Bakit parang may tampo sa'yo si... Ano ba yun? Ano ba yung issue na ito with Angelica? Ano ba yun?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Um, Sorry. Actually,
What
nagulat lang. Kasi I've been keeping quiet for a really long time, and I don't think na I should like say anything about it. Kasi I mean, ang daming nangyayari and I can't really explain my side, and it's so hard because you don't have control over what people think
People will
about
say.
you and what people will say. All you have is the control over yourself, and basta ako, I don't want to be reckless with anybody's hearts. If they're reckless with mine, just na bahala humusga sa kanila. Wag na lang ako. Kasi, ewan ko, ayoko lang. Iba yung tinuro sa akin ng magulang ko ever since I was a kid. Never akong pumatol sa kahit na anong nangyayari na masama sa life
if it's
ko.
to defend yourself, I mean, this is an opportunity for you to defend yourself, explain yourself. Kasi kahit na you think you shouldn't, but gumagalaw kasi isang industriya na ang pangalan mo ang ang dapat na dinidefend. Ang pangalan mo ang tinitingnan ng tao, ang pinapanood. How they see you is what's most important, di ba? So, parang this should be an opportunity for you to defend yourself.
I don't want to say anything bad about other people. Ayokong maggamit ng ibang tao. Ayoko manira ng ibang tao para lang sumikat. And I'm not in a rush. Hindi ako nagmamadali na sumikat. All I want to do is to share my talent. That's all. I mean, I've also been thinking about quitting this business because, thank you pa, because I'm not used to
Ganitong gulo.
Hindi talaga ako sanay.